Hi my web viewers, in this video I'm gonna show you how to inform YouTube that your channel is not for children. If you don't do this, every time you upload a video, while uploading you have to inform that the video is for children or not. Okay, so if you want to do this every time you upload a video to YouTube, you can do this and you don't need to inform YouTube every time you upload a video. For this, go to settings. First you have to access YouTube Studio. Now go to settings. Okay, click channel, advanced settings. Okay, here we have three options. The first one is yes, set this channel as made for kids. I always upload content that's made for kids. If you upload videos for kids, you have to check this option. Okay, let's say your content is not for kids. Okay, you check this option. No, set this channel as not made for kids. I never upload content that's made for kids. If your content is not for kids, I prefer check this option. If your content sometimes it's for kid and sometimes not, maybe you want to check this option. I want to review this setting for every video, so you have to inform YouTube every time you upload a video. Okay, next step is click to save. Okay, in my case I'm gonna to check the option no, set this channel as not made for kids. I never upload content that's made for kids. Okay, save, and that's it. Now YouTube doesn't ask me if my content is for kids or not. Okay, I hope this video helps you, and thumbs up if you liked, and to the next one. And sorry for my bad English.